Hi, it's Christina Nichols with NicholsGPS. I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to this week's What's on the Whiteboard. This is the casual post-walk version of What's on the Whiteboard because I was just out for a walk with one of my friends and she asked me, why in the world do you do these videos and give away content for free like this? And I thought, give away content for free? What do you even mean? Well, in her industry, doing something like this is totally unheard of. Like standing up with my iPhone and talking about what I do for my job and then just posting it out there for anybody to use is kind of unheard of. So I thought I would pop on and do a quick What's on the Whiteboard about why I do What's on the Whiteboard. So first and foremost, I do What's on the Whiteboard because it's fun. I love to think about different things in philanthropy. So here, let's write it on the whiteboard, right? That's the whole purpose of What's on the Whiteboard. It's fun. I love philanthropy. I love fundraising. I love advancement. I love connecting donors and something that they're passionate about. I think it's so cool that as an industry, this is something that we get to do. Like, how awesome is that? So that is number one why I do this, because I really just have fun and I love helping people fundraise and I love fundraising. So that's number one. Number two is because it's really a way for me to pay back to our industry. As fundraisers, we have so many resources out there and they all can, there's so much out there. So you can go to conferences, you can do webinars, you can talk to your friend down the hall, you can talk to your colleagues, whatever it is. I have the ability to call my sister-in-law. She's also in philanthropy. How cool is that, right? So we have super nerdy phone conversations sometimes. So I think this is a great way to pay back to our industry with some of the things that I've learned and just share what I've learned, because I think that there aren't really a whole lot of original ideas right now in fundraising. We are all navigating this new world of technology and how do we engage with donors. But at the end of the day, it's about relationships, it's about connecting, and it's about making sure that our donors are happy and our organizations are happy and putting those things together. So it's not complicated at all. And so I do this because it's fun. I do this to give back to our what we do as a profession. And I also hope that it's helpful. So yeah, I mean, that's the last thing. I hope that it's helpful last, because if it's not fun, don't do it, right? And I have a really generous heart. The name of my business is NicholsGPS, which is the shortened version, but it's Nichols Genuine Philanthropic Solutions, because I genuinely care about philanthropy. So there you have it. That is total tangent for the What's on the Whiteboards. I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you've enjoyed the Giving Tuesdays as well. I think it's been fun to think about that and prepare for it. So I hope you have some fun plans for that day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next week. Bye-bye.